In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar view in monday.com. Adding a calendar view is a simple way to see your tasks and projects laid out over days, weeks, or months, which makes planning and time management much easier. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch from a regular board view to a calendar view whenever you need it. First, make sure you're on the board where you want to add the calendar view. This is usually one of your main boards, like a project board, a content schedule, or a team task list. You'll typically see your items arranged in rows and columns. That's the standard table or main view in monday.com. Now look towards the top of your board. At the top of the screen, you'll see a series of tabs or view options, and just above the board, there should be a small plus sign. This plus sign is what you use to add a new view. Move your mouse over that area and click on the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, monday.com will show you a list of different view types you can add to your board. These might include things like a table view, a Kanban view, a chart, or in our case, a calendar. Take a moment to scan the available options, then find the one labeled calendar. Once you see the calendar option, click on calendar. As soon as you do this, monday.com will create a new calendar view for the board you're on. The system will switch from the usual table layout to a calendar layout, where your items are placed on specific dates. At this stage, if your items already have date columns set up, they'll automatically appear in the calendar on the correct days. If you don't see anything on the calendar yet, it usually means your items are missing dates. You can fix that by going back to the main table view, adding or editing the date column, and then returning to the calendar view to see everything plotted on the timeline. From now on, whenever you want to see this board as a calendar, simply click on the calendar tab at the top of the board. That's all there is to it. Click the plus sign above your board, choose calendar, and your calendar view is ready to use.